Got a couple of things to finish up on this apartment unit here. It's ready to go. Someone is almost ready to move in. Got to work on the exhaust for the vent hood. I had to order a part for it, given that it wasn't in the store. And I got a few wall covers I need to replace. Other than that, it's ready to go. Hey, I appreciate everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I really, really appreciate that. My growth in this is growing. I enjoy all the comments, criticisms, and other isms. Now let me stop playing. I respect everybody, love everybody. You do you, I'ma do me. That's the way it should be. Nothing but peace, love, and harmony over here with me. I'll take y'all along as I finish up this unit here. Just staying in my lane, showing you what I do daily when I'm not on my regular job. Just trying to maintain and keep it good. But hold on, let me show you some of these areas which I gotta fix up. So I got that plug here in the bedroom. That wall plug there. I've already stripped, waxed the floors, cleaned up behind myself, vacuumed all the floors out, everything is ready to go. Let me get in this kitchen so I can get started. This particular vent hood here was different from the one that was in here, but it was so old and had some negative electrical wires on it, so it was best if I changed it out. So the top of it was different. Here's the booger I had to wait on to get here. So let me get started. Get this booger on. And we'll be back on my homestead working on some projects that I need to get finished up. Stick around. As you can see, done. 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 Now I gotta go over here and change out the mailbox lock for this unit. You see, I grind every day.
No.